Welcome to our how-to videos on the Iowa Falls State Bank app. Let's learn how to enroll in eStatements. eStatements are a great way to save on postage, receive your statement timely, and also a secure way to store them for future reference. You will get an email notification at the beginning of the month when your statement is available. You can enroll all your accounts, including checking, savings, and money market accounts in eStatements. Once logged in and you can see your listing of accounts, click on the three lines or hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner, or choose the Statements option. You will see a blue Delivery Preferences at the top of the page. Click on that. Below is a list of accounts and statements that you have previously enrolled in. You will see a Statement Preferences page. Click in the empty box and choose All Accounts or Select Accounts. We are going to select All Accounts. Then Next. Fill in how you would like to receive your statement and your current email address. Then click Submit. You will get a confirmation screen saying your enrollment change is now being processed. Click OK, and you'll be able to access all your statements safely in one place, save on postage, and save on delivery time. Thank you for watching.